Hello, good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be looking at the question on trig functions. Okay, the question on the board says prove that sine to the power of 4 theta minus cos to the power of 4 theta plus 1 multiplying cosec square theta is equal to 2. So how do we prove this? Well, sine to the power of, I'm going to rewrite this as sine to the power of 4 theta minus cos to the power of 4 theta, and then I'll write plus 1 multiplying cosec square theta. Alright, now if we have a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 is the same thing as a square minus b square multiplying a square plus b square. Alright, so I'm going to use the idea of this to factor this out. So sine to the power of 4 theta minus cos to the power of 4 theta is the same thing as sine square theta minus cos square theta multiplying sine square theta plus cos square theta, and then we have plus 1 multiplying cosec square theta. Alright, now based on trig identities, if you have sine square a plus cos square a is the same thing as 1. Therefore, it means that everything we have within this bracket is equal to 1. And so we have sine square theta minus cos square theta multiplying 1. Okay, I don't need to write that. And then we have plus 1 multiplying cosec square theta. Now, I'm still going to change cos square theta. Come back here. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, right? We could also say, if we want to make sine square theta the subject formula, that sine square a is equals to 1 minus cos square a, right? So, or we can say cos square a equals to 1 minus sine square a. Any of them works, but for this, I'm going to change cos square a or cos square theta. And I can write that as sine square theta minus, instead of cos square theta, I can say 1 minus sine square theta. And then that will be plus 1. I think this covers it, yes. Then multiplying cosec square theta. And then I'm going to open this bracket. Now we have sine square theta minus 1 plus sine square theta plus 1 multiplying cosec square theta. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Sine square theta plus sine square theta is 2 sine square theta. So we have 2 sine square theta, that's plus 0, which doesn't matter. And then it's multiplying cosec square theta. I hope you are following. Now the next thing is, we can still break cosec square theta down. Okay, cosec square theta is the same thing as 1 over sine square theta. Alright, so this is 2 sine square theta multiplying 1 over sine square theta. And then if sine square theta cancels itself, we are back to 2. And the question says we should prove that everything we have here is equal to 2. That's my proof for this particular problem. Till we meet again, this is Fun Online Maths. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and it's bye from me.